Welcome to Astronomy Spotlight for September. My name is Kirk Rosberg. I'm the Planetarium Coordinator here at the Hastings Museum. And this month, the planet Saturn comes to opposition on the evening of September 21st, just before the autumn equinox, which occurs this year on September 22nd. At opposition, Saturn will be at its brightest for the year. Although technically, it will be at its brightest from the 19th through the 21st, shining at magnitude 0.58 according to Stellarium, and 0.58 is fairly bright for a planet that is 1 billion miles away. Saturn will be directly opposite the Sun as seen from the Earth. It is therefore the best time to view the ringed planet through a telescope. However, during the opposition, the famous rings will be tilted just 2 degrees relative to the Earth. Now I'm going to zoom in on the planet Saturn with our planetarium system so you can see how that will look. So I've zoomed in on the planet Saturn very much. So you can see how thin the rings will appear if you're looking through a telescope for the rings. You might have to look very closely this time around to even see the rings at all. Saturn will rise at sunset and set at sunrise, just like the full moon does on September the 21st. Now let me zoom back out here. And there we are. So Saturn is 71 light minutes away from the Earth at this particular time. And because Saturn is farther away from the Sun, it orbits slower than the Earth. This means that the second largest planet comes to opposition about every 378 Earth days. So our planet must travel a little bit farther each year to reach this opposition point. 1 year on Saturn, by the way, is equal to about 29½ Earth years. This year, Saturn's opposition will be in the constellation of Pisces the Fish. Now, turning to the pre-dawn sky, on the morning of September 16th, before sunrise, the waning crescent moon is very close to Jupiter at magnitude -2. And this is on the 16th, we're looking here. Let's go to the 19th of September. There we go, and the sky is set for about 5:30 a.m. On the 19th, the moon and Venus are about as close as they can get without the moon actually eclipsing Venus, which it will do in some parts of the world, but not in the US. The moon will be only 5.5% illuminated, a very thin waning crescent. And in addition, the bright star Regulus in Leo the Lion will also appear very close to Venus and the moon. This is well worth getting up early to see, as it doesn't happen all that often. Thanks for watching Astronomy Spotlight. Please join me again next month.